さんこんにちは、みかんです。Today we're learning three Japanese greetings. What we'll learn today are polite and formal expressions. In Japan, politeness and respect are important in social interactions, especially when meeting someone for the first time or in a formal setting. These are suitable for use with unfamiliar people, colleagues, superiors, or anyone you wish to show respect to. First, the morning greeting. おはようございます。おはようございます means good morning. And I'm gonna show you how to write hiragana. Hiragana is the basic alphabet of the Japanese language. It might be the first time you are seeing hiragana. And if you'd like to learn hiragana first, I'd recommend you check another video. But don't worry, just keep practicing and you'll get used to it. So repeat after me. おはようございます。おはようございます。おはようございます。About the pronunciation, u is pronounced u, but within おはようございます, the u is pronounced as an o sound, so the yo and u together make one long o sound. Yo, おはよう. Okay, and the next one is こんにちは. こんにちは means hello or good afternoon. It is a common greeting used during the daytime, typically from late morning to early evening. So let's practice. こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。But please note that the character ha is originally pronounced as ha. But within the greeting こんにちは, the ha is pronounced as wa. Great job. The last one is こんばんは. こんばんは means good evening. It's used as a greeting in the evening, typically from sunset onwards. Then repeat after me. こんばんは。こんばんは。こんばんは。And I'll give you a word of advice. In Japanese, there is a phrase that means how are you, which is お元気ですか? お元気ですか? But we don't often use お元気ですか as a greeting. It's used when meeting someone we haven't seen for a while. Did you understand those phrases? Okay, let's start the quiz. こんにちは。こんばんは。おはようございます。How did you do? 皆さんよくできました。動画を見てくれてありがとうございました。See you next time. またね。